Hi there, welcome to mathematics class. Our topic is simultaneous equations with three unknowns. In previous lessons we discussed about the simultaneous equations with the two unknowns. Now we start the simultaneous equations with three unknowns. There is no separate method for solving simultaneous equations with three unknowns. We change the equations with three unknowns into two equations by using the first three methods of solving the equations with two unknowns, which are applied on the two equations, and then we solve it. The determinant method is directly used in solving these type of equations. I repeat for you, there is no separate method for solving simultaneous equations with three unknowns. We change the equations with three unknowns into two equations by using the first three methods of solving the equations with two unknowns, which are applied on the two equations, and then we solve it. The determinant method is directly used in solving these type of equations. Now I solve an example for you. Example, solve the following simultaneous equations. Equation number one, for equation with the two unknowns, there was two equations, but for the three unknowns, there's three equations. 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 13. X plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 14. And equation number 3 is 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 16. Now we can use one of the methods of the solving the simultaneous equations of two unknowns, but the easiest method is using the elimination. For that, for example, we want to eliminate the x here. The first equation, equation number one, what we do, we multiply equation number one, we do 2 by 2, number 1 with number 2 and then number 2 with the number 3. For equation number 1, we multiply all of the equations with the coefficient of equation number 2. The coefficient of x in the equation number 2 is 1. Now multiply with the 1. It means that 1 times 3, 3x. 1 times 3 is 3x plus 1 times y is y. 1 times 2z is 2z is equal to 1 times 13 is 13. Now for equation number 2, what we do, we multiply with the coefficient of x for the number 1, that is 3. 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 4 is 12, y plus 3 times 3 is 9z. 9z is equal to 3 times 14 is 42. Now what we do, we subtract equation number 2 from equation number 2. We change all of the signs of this one. In an equation, if you change all of the signs, there is no change in the equations. For example, in a scale, you increase or decrease something, there is no change from both sides, there is no change. Positive 3x cancelled with the negative 3x, there is negative 12y, and positive 1y is negative 11y, minus 9 minus 2 is negative 7 z is equal to 42 minus 13 is minus 29. Now this is, it gave us this equation. We named this equation number 4. Equation number 4. Now we do for equation number 2 and 3. In equation number 2, what we do, we multiply, because the coefficient of equation number 3 for x is 2, we multiply all of the equation number 2 with the 2. It means that 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 4 is 8y plus 2 times 3 is 6z is equal to 2 times 14 is equal to 28. And then for equation number 3, what we do, we multiply with the coefficient of x at the number 1, that is a is 1. 1 times 2x is equal to 2x plus 1 times 3 is 3y plus 1 times 4 is 4z is equal to 1 times 16 is equal to 16. Now we subtract these two equations from each other. Negative, 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 negative. Then positive 2x cancelled with negative 2x. 8 minus 3 is 5y. 5y. 6 minus 4 plus 2z is equal to 28 minus 16 is equal to 12. We name this one equation number 5. Now the equation number 3, 4 and 5 are the equations with the two unknowns. That one unknown is y, the another unknown is z. And for this one also y is z. Now what we do, we use the elimination method for these two equations. For example, for equation number 4, what you do, we want to, for example, eliminate here the y. For example, for number 4, what we do, we multiply with the coefficient of number 5, that is for the y is 5, minus or negative 5 times 11 is 55, y negative 5 times 7 is 35, z is equal to negative 5 times 9 is 145. 145. Now for example, for equation number, this is for equation number 4, and for equation number 5, what we do, we multiply all of the equations with the coefficient of y and the number 1, that is 11. 11 times 5 is equal to 55. Y plus 2 times 11 is equal to 22. Z that is equal to 2 times, okay, 11 times 12 is 132. Positive 132. Now we have these two equations algebraically. Negative 55 cancels with positive 55y. Here is the remaining negative 35 minus 22 is negative 13. Z is equal to 144 minus 132 is equal to negative 13. We can multiply both sides with the 13. Now from here Z is equal to negative 13 over negative 13. Negative divided by negative is positive. 13 divided by 13 is equal to 1. And Z is equal to 1. Now we plug the value of Z in one of these equations. For example, here or here or there or anywhere. Or in this way, in this one, for example, in equation number 5, 5y plus 2z, instead of z, the price of z or the value of z, that is 1, is equal to 12. From here, y plus 2 times 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 12. Now from here 5y is equal to 12. If we bring the carry the positive 2 to the right side, become negative 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. 5y is equal to 10, then y is equal to 2. Now we have the value of z 1 and the value of y is equal to 2. Now we put these two values in one of these equations. For example, equation number 2. And equation number 2 is x plus 4y. X plus 4y. And instead of y, the value of y, that is 2, plus 3 times z. What is z? Z is equal to 1. 3 times 1 is equal to 14. Now from here, x plus 2 times 4 is equal to 8, plus 3 is equal to 14, and from here x is equal to 14. 8 plus 3 is 11. We carry the 11 from left side to the right side, become negative 11. That is equal to 14 minus 11 is 3. It means that x is equal to 3. So now, because this is the equations with the 3 unknowns, we have 3 values. Value for z is 1, for y is equal to 2, and for x is equal to 1. And if you put all of these values in these any of these equations, both sides of the equations become equal. And I think one example is enough for this one. Then we will solve some more examples in the next lesson. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends. And please press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a great and wonderful days and nights. Bye bye.